Google made quite a drastic design shift with the Pixel 9 series last year, and as we're approaching the summer of 2025, it's time for another turn of the smartphone wheel. The Pixel 10 series is poised to launch sometime in August, and it will be interesting to see what changes this new lineup will bring. The Pixel 10 Pro is especially interesting because last year Google shrunk the flagship to make space for the Pro XL model, and now we have a compact and powerful Pixel, something many people asked for. How does the upcoming Pixel 10 Pro stack up against its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro? Today we're going to find out. Pixel 10 Pro versus Pixel 9 Pro expected differences. Google Pixel 10 Pro versus Pixel 9 Pro, a detailed comparison. As Google continues to refine its flagship smartphones, the Pixel 10 Pro arrives with a familiar feel but several under-the-hood improvements that set it apart from its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro. While at first glance the two devices may seem nearly identical, a closer inspection reveals key differences in performance, efficiency, and potential user experience enhancements. Design and build quality. Starting with the design, the Pixel 10 Pro maintains a very similar look to the Pixel 9 Pro, with flat sides, a clean front and back, and the signature horizontal camera bar. The materials used are also largely unchanged. Both phones feature a premium glass and metal build and weigh approximately 200 grams. This consistency in build ensures that fans of the Pixel 9 Pro will feel right at home with the Pixel 10 Pro, especially those who appreciated its robust and elegant form factor. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, both the Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro offer a powerful and identical triple camera system. Each device includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultrawide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. These sensors are known for delivering sharp images, excellent dynamic range, and industry-leading computational photography powered by Google's software. While there are no hardware changes in the camera department, it's possible that software enhancements and Tensor G5 optimizations may improve image processing on the Pixel 10 Pro. Display and visual experience. The display technology remains largely the same on both models. Both phones offer a 6.3-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1280 by 2856 pixels and a variable refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. However, the Pixel 10 Pro may feature an even brighter panel, possibly exceeding the already impressive 3000 nits brightness of the Pixel 9 Pro. This improvement could significantly enhance visibility in direct sunlight and improve HDR content playback, making the viewing experience even more vibrant and immersive. Performance and processor upgrade. One of the biggest upgrades in the Pixel 10 Pro is the introduction of Google's next-generation Tensor G5 chipset. Built on a cutting-edge 3nm process by a new manufacturer, this chip is expected to offer substantial gains in efficiency, thermal management, and processing power. In comparison, the Pixel 9 Pro runs on the Tensor G4, which was manufactured using a 4nm process. The Tensor G5's improvements could lead to smoother multitasking, faster app loading, improved AI features, and potentially longer battery life due to lower power consumption.